Alright, so these plugs are pretty self-explanatory. They come with a groove here, and you just want to find this connection on the bottom of your motherboard where there's this groove on top here, and just line the grooves up and you should be able to connect them. I do want to see whether I can route them from the bottom for a little bit of a neater cable management. Something like this. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks a little bit neater. I don't like how this cable bends though. Might want to take it out. Okay, yeah, I want to feed a little bit more of the cable. Make sure that the cable can be somewhat straight here before it bends. Because I don't want the cable to bend at too sharp an angle. Okay, I'll do the rest of the cable management at the back a bit later. Other front panel connectors. This, I believe, should be a fan cable. We do have fan cables at the top or at the bottom. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, there is a fan cable here. Yes, so there's one at the bottom.